Bulawayo deputy mayor cleared in $20,000 bribery case. The 21st of August 2025, Bulawayo deputy mayor Edwin Ndlovu has been acquitted of corruption charges after a magistrate ruled that the state had failed to prove claims. He solicited a $20,000 bribe from investors seeking land for a cement plant. Magistrate Richard Ramabia on Wednesday dismissed the case, saying the prosecution's evidence was riddled with contradictions. At the center of the trial was a handwritten document that allegedly detailed how councillors, including Ndlovu, were set to benefit from the cash. The state argued that Ndlovu and Ward 3 councillor Mpumelelo Moyo demanded the money from Labanman Investments in exchange for the approval of a 5.6-hectare plot in Cowdray Park. Forensic handwriting expert Kuron Madzaranyika testified that Ndlovu's writing matched the document, but the testimony collapsed under scrutiny after Labanman representative Tsitsi Mapfumo admitted authoring part of the same document, leaving the evidence in doubt. The only evidence linking the accused to the offense was Exhibit Number 5, yet the expert concluded the whole document was written by one person. If we accept that, then both the accused and the witness share the same handwriting, which is impossible, Ramabia ruled. The case stemmed from a Zimbabwe Anti-Corruption Commission, ZVAITWA, sting operation in 2024, in which Ndlovu and Moyo were arrested shortly after allegedly handling the bribe money at Mapfumo's house. With Ndlovu now a free man, attention turns to Moyo, chair of Council's Finance and Development Committee, who will mount his defense on August 25th. His lawyer, Prince Butch Dube, is expected to explain why Moyo was present at the complainant's residence and address witness claims that he was seen with the $20,000 in cash. The ruling marks a major setback for the state's case and raises questions over the quality of evidence in high-profile corruption investigations.